Okay, so this street's called Hua de Nam Keng. So what we're gonna do is try to walk down towards the Skyway, and look at all the traffic. There's a lot of traffic. It's Friday night. I'll explain all that too. And we're gonna basically walk all the way down that way. And just before we even go down, that's our target street right there, Hua de Nam Keng. And we're kind of in this area where there's a lot of traffic and a lot of people everywhere. And so, yeah, there's basically stuff down that way, and then that way goes down to Taipa Village. That goes down to Olympic Stadium down that way, and we're gonna go down Hua de Nam Keng. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, Hua de Nam Keng. So we're gonna attempt to go down this one. It looks like there's quite a few people around, so we'll see if we can navigate it okay. So we got kind of like these big boulevards, this whole type of area, and then we go all the way down to the Skyway, and then we're gonna go up and probably get a pretty good view from that angle. That's some kind of nice view right here, just being able to capture this wide boulevard like this. And this side of the street has more shops than this one, including this little Sunflower City. So we're going to walk towards that direction. I think we're just going to highlight that briefly as well. Okay. So yeah, it's actually kind of a nice wide boulevard. And this goes right through Taipa. Oh, I didn't realize you could bring dogs in there. Huh. I don't know if that was... I don't know if that dog was... I don't know if that dog was like a trained blind dog, or if that was just a big, heavily coated dog. Anyways, got a couple of supermarkets in this area. A lot of supermarkets here. Wheel shop. So Hua de Nam Keng. And we got Flower City to the left, so we're just gonna briefly go into Flower City. And then Flower City is right here. So we'll have better lighting in here as well. Nice cafe to the right. And we're just gonna walk all the way through to Flower City, which is a park. There's a park on the other side. So we'll stay faithful to Hua de Nam Keng, but at the same time we'll also kind of highlight. We got some music clothing here for it's like 10, 15, 20, 39. So I think all that is 39. Which is like $1, $2, $3, $4. Kind of like that. And let me just kind of see. So we have some outlets, so we could go down in these other directions here. It's like a new chicken place right there. My Fa Chicken. And that's a big supermarket. It goes all the way down to the street on the other side. And then the temple is all the way down. So I wasn't planning to show a little bit off track of the street that we're on. So I think what I'll do is I will show you this, and then we're going to go back to our target street. So a little bit of a sidetrack, but I think it's nice to see this anyways. Now we're just kind of out here in this other space here. You can see the Galaxy Casino in the background way up that way. And then this is the Flower City. It says Garden of the City of Flowers. Jardim da Cidade das Flores. Now you got a little park. Huh. Getting really off my target street here. It's okay. And we're gonna just highlight this little flower city, and you can see Galaxy Casino way in the distance. Then that bright hotel over there, that's called Raffles Hotel. It's also pretty new. And we're in this beautiful park right here called Flower City. And Flower City there's like turtles in here, goldfish, kiosk. Like, I think they probably do like tea ceremony stuff too. I'm just gonna come out to the center part here. And now we're at a parking shop, so there's another grocery store right here. And that's kind of that Flower City, so that's the entrance to it. So pretty beautiful park, and it's like right in the middle. You're surrounded by all of Taipa, Central Taipa. And way in the distance you have casinos, Phoenician Casino. And we're kind of far off of our focus street. But I do like to give you context, so we'll kind of give you more context to stuff anyways through this way. And we're just going to go back to Keng Street here. So let's okay. So we're basically like 1 block away from Keng, but we're going to so basically we're going to be going down that way, but we're going to be going down 1 more street over, and then there's a skyway and a park down that way. That's Flower City, and then this is the Flower City area that we were just at. What I'm going to do is I'm going to walk across this way. We're going to be back in Hua de Nam Keng in a mini moment, but you have another little context of Taipa to the excursion. And I think Hua de Nam Keng does go, I think it goes maybe all the way up to the Nova Mall. But because I did such an excursion, I may or may not take you all the way there. But Hua de Nam Keng is a good street for that little spot that we were just at, in that little plaza in there inside with the indoor grocery store and some restaurants and things like that. Here's a Kingship. This is a Japanese restaurant. Somebody was telling me recently I should go there and film and eat. And I have eaten there a few times and the food is good, so I do want to do that. Again, I haven't done that in a while. So we're on Evora Street. And we basically just started right there. So we started at the base. We didn't quite do our full block, and then we went into Flower City right there. And then I kind of went down, all the way down to the Flower City garden down that way. And then we're going to continue on our way. So that's Evora Street down that way. And that was where we started at. That's the end of Evora, and then we're gonna basically go back down our target street, which is Hua de Nam Keng. And we're just gonna, the lighting is really good on this little space as well. I think right here they basically have duck right in here. So we're gonna walk along this road, this little market, and then I'll show you what's on the right in a moment. Kind of a cool street though. It's gonna get a little bit darker there, but I just wanted to show you there's that's a good supermarket right there. They got a variety of different foods. Key shop, if you have to replace keys and stuff like that. It's also on Hua de Nam Keng. K-pop star and a Circle K right there, advertising Coca-Colas. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. So Hua de Nam Keng. Also got some good lighting. And the Alchira Hotel is immediately in front of us. You can see that big A up there. That's a El Tiro Hotel. And I don't know if we're gonna walk all the way there or not. Kind of depends. Go to Keng. I do want to get up to the Skyway though, but the lighting isn't that great at the moment. This street is basically what I hear. This street, Huade Tai Lin. It's a police station down that way, so I usually think of the police just because to get a ticket, it usually says go to Huade Tai Lin. Okay, so we're still in our target street. Keep on walking down it, and what I want to do is get up to that Skyway up there, and then I'll kind of look up and down, and we have to go up at that Skyway anyways. This video could be a little bit long. Not a big fan of the long videos, but I think that they have some purpose. So yeah, that Skyway is there's the fire department. It's right there as well, by the way. So one of the things about this street is that there's no way to run across the street. Let's see if they let the ambulance in. Sometimes they don't. Yeah, you'll notice that there's no way to go across the street because there's no crosswalks for walking. So, so basically you have to go up over here on the Skyway. So it's the only way to cross the street. That street's called Huade Guimarães. Just on Huade Nam Keng. So the only way to get up is through the elevator, escalator, or elevator. But kind of a cool space. This wasn't here before. And we're gonna head on there, and then we're going to go up to there. And we'll show you what it looks like from up there. Okay, so now you can see the street that we just walked down. So so we started down at the end, and it's Huade Nam Keng. We're at the Skyway, so now we're up at the top of the Skyways. And so yeah, it basically goes all the way down to the light rail transit station. That's it's about a 15-minute walk probably. And then on this side the street continues on. But I think the video will get a little too long for it. But if we did take the camera up there, it would go up to El Tiro Hotel. And that would be the end. But I think it's a little bit too dark and probably not so interesting. But anyways, that's Huade Nam Keng. Pretty nice in the lighting like that though. Okay, so we'll go a little bit further. So yeah, we basically started on that way, and that's Huade Nam Keng. We kind of got some nice lighting as well in some of these corners like that as well. That goes up to the Skyway up that way. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of walk down towards, it's gonna get a little bit dark, but we're gonna go by, that's actually kind of cool right there. It's bus style. But it's gonna get a little bit dark in this space. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to walk by the fire station to see what the lighting looks like, and then I might turn it off in a moment. We'll just see if the lighting is okay or not. Now you got the fire station, which is all kind of closed up. And then the El Tiro is actually all the way to the end, so it's not too far from here. Yeah, it's all closed up. So, okay. Actually, it wouldn't take much to finish out the street, so I'm kind of thinking about it. CTM. So that's kind of where everybody goes to get their internet and such, and phones too. Okay. So we'll just turn the camera on when we get up to the end there. So this is the end of our street. So so I turned it off those last 2 blocks just because it's a little bit too dark, and I just wanted to give the conclusion at the end of the street. And down here we have IKEA, and the this is called Nova Mall, Nova something Mall. And there's Taipa Central Park right there. And this is basically the street that we just did. And then we're right in front of Altira as well. So we'll show you the Altira. So this is kind of the lobby right there, and you can't really see any identification marks of that being Altira. Maybe we'll just walk across real quick, and then that'll be the conclusion of it. We're walking across Avenida de Quang Tong. Now you can see more of Altira right there. I'm gonna walk across even more. And then once we get to this side, so that was our target street right there. You can see City of Dreams Casino all the way down, and that's Altira Hotel right there. That has some really prime, expensive hotel rooms. There we go. Okay, so that was our focus. And now we're near Nova Mall. Taipa Central Park is down that way as well. Pretty cool little space. Okay. Hope you like that one too. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.